guys, it's day 4 technically, if we include the day we drove out. And we're leaving our hotel. We're leaving. And we're gonna go to the beach today.
Let's go to the beach.
Today's our beach day. Newport Beach Temple. There's the ocean. You can see it out there.
I was pregnant with Penny last time.
Oh, come on! We're going in the southern. Quiet. This is not south. Is this north?
We are going southwest, bro.
Oh.
Whoa, look at that.
Southwest seas.
Same thing that I almost did.
So why don't you show
State park, guys. We gotta support our California state park.
We're at the beach finally. Are you happy, Mom? Yeah. I got some seashells collected in a bottle. Let me show ya. Here's the seashells I've collected. I have more that are bigger, but those are the ones that can fit in the cute little jar.
Hey, Mom. Mom, want to see something cool?
Lunch.
Okay, that's what we love you, Ocean.
Ocean sun, so cute.
Leaving the beach.